Let's get some Tuesday birthdays on the way, and we are starting in Baxter Springs, and we had Braxton Burton's birthday yesterday, but we didn't have a picture of this adorable little guy. Now, he's our news production assistant, Trevor Lewis's cousin, but look at how cute he is. That's why we wanted to make sure we got that picture up there. So another happy birthday to you, Braxton.
I like how you said he's Trevor's cousin, but he's cute.
Well, yeah, I mean, Trevor's all right, but this little guy, look at him.
All right. Happy birthday, Braxton. Brinkley K. Thornton is turning 1 year old this year. What a cute picture there in Thayer. Birthday was actually on Saturday. We're celebrating all the way through Tuesday.
Why not? And we've also got Callan Carr in Moran turning 2. I love these kids. They're all looking so they look great every day, but all these kids just looking great today. Callan Carr, happy birthday to you.
Mason Warden celebrating birthday number 9 in Columbus.
And the party in the bus, man. It is in the bus. Because we've also got Everly Roberts turning 9 in Columbus as well. A very happy birthday to you, Everly.
Rylan Houston celebrating 13, taking a ride there on a tortoise. Rylan is in Webb City.
And we've got Roman Miller down in Seneca celebrating, wow, that is a nice looking birthday cake as he celebrates birthday number 15. This comes with happy birthday from Mom, Dad, Ryder, Renly, Raylan, and Nanny.
All right. And in Humboldt, Kansas, with love from Mom and Dad, Zach McDown. Happy birthday number 18 this year.
And we've got a birthday here who gets to celebrate 2 days in a row because you see Zoe Mitchell turned 21 yesterday, and she's pictured here with her late grandmother. And this comes with love from Mom and the rest of the family. Happy birthday, Zoe.
All right. And Lexi Black turning 22 years old this year. Lexi is in Carthage, Missouri, and is a first-year student at KCU in Joplin.
All right. She's going to be saving our lives one of these days, Tanya. We've got Jennifer Deach in Chanute celebrating birthday number 54. Jennifer, very happy birthday to you.
All right. And Lyman Crane turning the big 8-0 this year. Happy birthday, Lyman, in the bus, Columbus.
And we've got Tony and Gail Irwin celebrating 47 years of wedded bliss. They are pictured here celebrating in Italy, but they are from Carthage. Happy anniversary.
And finally, last but not least on our list, we've got Jared Richardson celebrating birthday number 17 this year.
Now, we know you want to send us your birthdays and your anniversaries, and we know you want to send us pictures with them too, and Tanya knows exactly how you can do that.
That's right. All you have to do is send them to us at birthdays with an S at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
And when you're at our website checking out the latest news, weather, sports, everything that you need to know, it has something else you need, the KOAM Birthday Club. You can sign up for it. And what you do is you get some special deals from local businesses. In addition, you get a nice little birthday message from your friends here at KOAM TV. All you have to do is go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. So make sure you